Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. Right now we're taking a look at a price chart for the gold ETF. This one tracks the gold futures. This is the GLD. For those of you who have been following along and may have even taken a position in the GLD, we did get a trigger on our weekly resistance inflection point that was triggered above the 123 area. As you can see, on Monday we hit a high of 123.56. So those of you who took that trade, you're still holding the long position with your stops around the 119, I think it was 119.77 level. So go ahead and hold those shorts, and I mean not shorts, I'm sorry, long positions, but hold that stop loss, the sell stop there at the 119 level, and that should hold as this market is trying to build some support. We have had some bearishness in here, and that's just the way that gold usually moves. As you can see, we rally and then we collapse, and then we rally again, then we collapse, rally, collapse, rally. We're in the collapse now. So it's always accumulation and distribution. It's always under accumulation, and it's constantly under distribution for whatever reason. Alright, jumping right into the technicals for today. Alright, as of Tuesday's close, we have a white body occurrence because prices closed higher than they opened. During the past 10 bars, there have been 6 white up candles and 4 black down candles, for a net of 2 white up candles. During the past 50 bars, there have been 33 white up candles and 17 black down candles, for a net of 16 white up candles. We have a lower shadow, and this is typically a bullish signal, particularly when it occurs near a low price level at a major support level, or when the security is oversold, and that's what we've been talking about. Alright, switching over to the swing index. Our post-scan reading for today is 9.74. Our swing VIX is 11.04. The market pulse is positive since it's trading above its zero signal line, and the post-scan crossed below the swing VIX, creating a downtrend channel as of 5 periods ago. The swing VIX is not currently in a topping above 39 or bottoming below -39 range. A buy or sell signal is generated when the swing VIX moves out of an overbought or oversold area. The last signal was an overbought sell 31 periods ago. Since the swing VIX has just reached its lowest value in the last 14 periods, this will give a bearish reading. The swing VIX has set a new 14-period low while the security price has not, so this will be a bearish divergence. Since the last swing VIX signal, the gold futures ETF's price has decreased 0.15% and has ranged from a high of $123.56 to a low of $119.03. Looking at the overall market trend, the market trend, as you can see, is still upward, trading above the Kumo cloud here, and your Takenson, which is your blue line, and your Cajunson, which is your red line. You see that the blue is above the red, so that's showing bullishness also. So that's a good sign. Looking further ahead, as far as entry points for Wednesday, we have a possible intraday first pulse wave consolidation breakout. So since we've been consolidated here, we're looking for the next breakout, which we could get. If that is the case, we would like to add to the position another long position at 122.14 with a profit target of 129.07 and a stop loss at 120.16. Our intraday price projections for Wednesday is resistance at 121.19, support at 119.65. Okay, so we're moving our focus now to the GDX, the Gold Miners ETF. A black body occurred on Tuesday's close because prices closed lower than they opened. During the past 10 bars, there have been 6 white up candles and 4 black down candles for a net of 2 white up candles. During the past 50 bars, there have been 25 white up candles and 23 black down candles for a net of 2 white up candles. We have a falling window, and this is where the bottom of the previous shadow is above the top of the current shadow. This usually implies a continuation of a bearish trend. As you can see the difference between these two bars here. The swing VIX index, now looking at the swing index, we have a pulse scan reading of 16.43 and a swing VIX reading of 17.67. The market pulse is positive since it's trading above its zero signal line. The pulse scan crossed below the swing VIX, creating a downtrend channel as of 5 periods ago. The last signal was an overbought sell 54 periods ago. The swing VIX has just reached its lowest value in the last 14 periods. This is bearish. The swing VIX has set a new 14-period low while the securities price has not. This is a bearish divergence. Since the last swing VIX signal, the GDX has decreased 0.31% and has ranged from a high of $54.83 to a low of $51.42. Currently, the trend is up, as you can see here, we're trading above the cloud. However, this combined with the steep uptrend that we have been seeing with this suggests that the uptrend in prices has a good chance of continuing, but however, we do have a short-term pullback inside the bands, which is likely, and that's what you're seeing right here. Okay, that's what this is. All right. Moving forward, as far as intraday price action here, we have a possible intraday first pulse wave consolidation breakout to the upside at going long at $53.22 with a profit target of $55.79 and a stop loss at $52.14. Our intraday price projections are as follows: resistance at $52.58 and support at $51.92. As far as weekly price projections, our weekly resistance is at $54.83 with support at $51.42. Okay, now taking a look at gold spot prices. As of Tuesday's close, a white body occurred because prices closed higher than they opened. During the past 10 bars, there have been 6 white up candles and 4 black down candles for a net of 2 white up candles. And during the past 50 bars, there have been 27 white up candles and 21 black down candles for a net of 6 white up candles. We have a spinning top, and a spinning top is a candle with a small real body, as you can see on this last bar here. Spinning tops identify a session in which there is little price action as defined by the difference between the open and the close. During a rally or near new highs, a spinning top can be a sign that prices are losing momentum and the bulls may be in trouble. On the swing index, let's see, pulse scan is at 9.18, swing VIX is at 10.20. The market pulse is positive since it's trading above its zero signal line, and the pulse scan crossed below the swing VIX, creating a downtrend channel as of 4 periods ago. The last signal was an overbought sell 35 periods ago. Since the last swing VIX signal, the gold spot price has increased 0.27% and has ranged from a high of $1262.48 to a low of $1224.60. Taking a look at our overall trend, the trend is still up. As far as entry points, we have a possible intraday first pulse wave consolidation breakout at 1249.63, profit target 1290.33, and the stop loss is at 1234.39. We do have a warning of a possible inside day or a bullish retracement pullback from the previous highs, okay? And we're looking at intraday price projections. We have resistance at 1240.86 and support at 1231.16. as far as possible inside day. That means we'll probably trade within that support and resistance. However, if we get a bullish retracement pullback from the highs, then we could break support, which is at 1231.16. That's what that means. Our weekly price projections: to the upside, we have resistance at 1262.48, and to the downside, we have support at 1224.60.